A collapsible counter extension can give a big family kitchen the extra prep and serving surface it needs without permanently sacrificing floor space. For a built-in fold-down leaf on an island, plan the hinge location so the leaf folds down flush against the cabinet face and install a heavy-duty support bracket that locks under load. Choose stainless steel or powder-coated metal for durability and root cabinet faces so the leaf sits level when deployed. A telescoping counter extension stored inside a deep cabinet works well when you need a longer run for buffet-style serving. Build the sliding mechanism on full extension drawer slides rated for the expected weight and add a shallow lip on the top edge to prevent plates from sliding off when you pull it out. A removable butcher block insert gives a thick, attractive surface you can lift out for heavy chopping and store vertically on end inside a pantry cubby. Seal the wood with food-safe oil and cut a small finger hole for easy removal. For quick install options, consider an easy lock mechanism such as spring-loaded pins or cam locks at the support points to secure the leaf without tools so one person can deploy it safely. Measure for full clearance of doors and walkways and ensure support points align with cabinet framing. When building for strength, calculate the maximum distributed load you expect and design supports for at least double that load so holiday dishes and serving platters are safe. Use pocket screws and glue where possible and reinforce with metal corner braces at stress points. Finish choices matter for maintenance, so match the extension surface to your main counter in thickness and edge profile, or choose a contrasting wood or stone treated for the specific maintenance routine you will follow. Common problems are sagging in the middle of long leaves, unstable supports that wobble when loaded, and storage that interferes with door operation. To prevent sagging, use a continuous support rail or two parallel brackets spaced closer together, or limit leaf length and add a telescoping leg that drops into a concealed pocket. For wobble, choose rigid locking hardware and oversized hinge plates attached to solid blocking inside the cabinet and test with the anticipated load before finishing. If storage obstructs doors, plan the extension to stow vertically, rotate into a dedicated cavity, or use a removable insert that you lift free and slide into a shallow rack so cabinet doors still operate normally. We run bighomeprojects.com and we help homeowners find local contractors in post and share ideas for projects like collapsible counter extensions. Our site connects contractors looking for work with homeowners and hosts a community discussion area where we and others exchange plans, tips, and lessons learned.